What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the Spalding Max Grip NBA indoor and outdoor basketball. It's 29.5 inches, full size, recommended for males 12 plus, premium composite leather cover. Okay, let's see what's on the back and on the sides. As you can see, you can read that right there. Spalding is the official basketball of the NBA, WNBA, and NBA D League. Let's see in the back. The same thing. Let's see the other side. Spalding, true to the game, the right ball for your game. Professional, indoor, elite play. We have the indoor and outdoor. That's the one that I have. The indoor and outdoor competitive play, and the outdoor recreational play. Bring home the right size. For youth is the 27.5 inches. The mid is 28.5 inches, and the full is 29.5 inches. As you can see right there. Okay, let's open this baby. It's very grippy. Of course, it's new, but it feels very grippy. As you can see, look at that. It's nice. Max grip. As you can see, I'm 6'2", I have a big hand. Nice. It's made in China. Max grip. There you have it, guys. The Max Grip NBA indoor and outdoor basketball. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe.